So, everyone is kind of panicking about OpenAI's Sora right now. And look, I've actually got access to it. And yes, the visuals are like terrifyingly real. But honestly, if you're actually trying to make money on YouTube in 2025, Sora has this massive problem that basically nobody is talking about.
I mean, just look at this drone shot I generated. It literally understands the physics, it understands the light, it's even generating the audio to match the scene. Just listen to this. Don't get me wrong, it is incredible tech, but here's the real problem. It's just noise. It's basically just ambient sound effects. There's no actual script. There's no narrator actually explaining a complex topic. And look, to build a real business, you don't just need random clips with sound effects. You need a storyteller. So that's exactly why, while the whole world is just waiting around for Sora, I'm actually using InVideo AI to build real assets right now. See, unlike Sora, this tool is basically a full automation suite. Just watch this. Basically, I just give it a single prompt, and from there, it writes the script, it picks out the stock footage, and it even generates a human-sounding voiceover automatically. Just listen to the results it actually generated for me in like seconds.
Am I the only one that didn't know Bitcoin's first purchase was pizza? You read that right. Real pizza for digital coins. Here's the timeline you need. 2009. Satoshi mines the Genesis block and releases the white paper. Bitcoin is alive. 2010. First real-world transaction. 10,000 BTC for 2 pizzas. Proof people would actually use it. 2011. Price hits parity with the dollar. Altcoins start popping up. Crypto becomes an ecosystem. 2013 to 2017, major price surges. Exchanges grow. Governments start paying attention. Bitcoin goes mainstream. 2020-2021, institutional money and ETFs push adoption further. Then volatility reminds everyone it's still wild. Today, decentralized. Today, contested. Today, celebrated. Bitcoin's first keep stacking and the story is far from over. Want a deep dive? Hit follow.
So, do you see the difference? Sora basically gives you noise, but this tool, it actually gives you a story. Now, as you can see, I'm actually showing you this on the free plan, which is why there's those watermarks. And you can totally try it for free using the link down below just to test the tech. But if you actually want to monetize these on YouTube, you are going to need to grab the Pro plan. That's basically how you remove the watermarks and get the commercial rights. Look, Sora is definitely the future of filmmaking, but in video, that is the tool for business today. So don't wait for the perfect tool. Just start the arbitrage now. I left the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe.